Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this quadruple Sudoku, which has the twist that on every such quadruple here, which contains the digits that are indicated in the circles, there must be exactly two even digits and two odd digits. There is no such constraint when there is no circle, but every time you see such a circle, this applies. In my feeling, this was the hardest puzzle in the set by far. Yeah, I solved it during the contest and it took me a very, very long time. Okay, so for this solve, I will use my usual coloring with orange for odd digits and green for even digits. So where do we start? You can see that there is a 2 in here and a 2 in there, so you can already pencil mark the fact that 2 is around here, and 2 in there must be in this area. Likewise, there is a 9 here and a 9 there, so we must have a 9 somewhere in here. Well, it's not easy to see the pencil marks, but I can't do any better. So there will be a 9 in here, and we can see that there will be a 2 and a 9 up there, which is kind of interesting because there will be two even digits in here. Oh, and by the way, we already know which ones they are. You see that there is a 4 here, there is a 4 there. So we have located two instances of 4 on those two rows and of 2. So 2 and 4 can't be in there, but we need two even digits. So we will have 6 and 8 in this region. And those here are from 3, 4, and 5. Oh, 4 is not here actually, as I mentioned earlier. And there we have a 2, 4, 9 triple. Next we can see that this contains 2 and 6 and no other even digit, so that 4 is around here. Okay. There will be two even digits here. We have a 2 and a 6 here, a 2 and a 6 there, so 2 and 6 can't appear a third time on this count, so 2 and 6 will be in there, and the odd digits here will be 4 and 8. And those digits now are from 5, 7, and 9. So they will be odd digits. And the third digits from this list will be in here. Okay, so that's the first things I've seen. I've also seen that there's a 4 in here, a 4 in there. So we will have a 4 in here. So the two even digits here will be from 2, 6, and 8. There is an 8 in here, an 8 in there, so there will be an 8 in there. Oh, and that's interesting because we have an 8 in here and an 8 in there, so those can't be 8s. We get an 8 in here. That's the first digit. Here we have 6 and 8, and here we have 2 and 4, and every time here we don't have the 2 and the 4. Here we don't have the 6 and 8, so this is here an odd digit. And note that it won't be the 3, because we already, and it won't be the 9, because there is a 9 in here. And we know that this 2 by 2 square only contains two odd digits, so it has to be the 1. This contains an odd digit which is not 1, it's not 9. It could be from 3, 7, and 9, and 5. That doesn't seem to be so useful. But by the way, 6, 8 are in here, 2 and 4 are in here, so that those two cells contain odd digits. So this will be the 9, and those are even, and those are even, so that those are odd. So those are 6 and 8. Those are 2 and 4. 3 can only be here, and those are 5 and 7. 1 is not in here. And we can see that this is a 6, 7, 8 triple, which means that we need digits 6, 7, and 8 to fill in those cells. And 7 will always be here. So we can remove the 7 from those cells. We can see that those are odd, those are odd. And then what? There is a 2 in here, a 2 in there. So a 2 in this area. 3 here, so there will be a 3 in there. And a 3 in there. We still need 5 and 9 in here. I'm not sure what to look for next. Oh, I'm seeing there, yes, there is a 5 in here, there is a 5 in there, so that can't be a 5. This is 7, this is 5. There is a 6 in here and a 6 in there, so this can't be a 6. So this kind of logic applies all over the place. 8 here is down there. So where do we look next? So where is 8 in this area? 8 can't be here because there's already 2 and 6. Eight is not in here. Something that has to be appreciated. Oh, actually, let's just use Sudoku. We need 1, 7, and 8 up there. Okay. I think that 8 here would be wrong. But I can't find any argument to support this claim. I know that 2 and 6 are in here. So we have 8 up there, 4 down there. What about 6? Could 6 be in here? Oh, by the way, 8 here. I've been neglecting Sudoku stuff, so now we know that no, 6 is not here, 6 is down there. 2 here, 6 there. 4 will probably be with either of the 2. I'm not sure I can do better at this point. Which is a real issue if you ask me. So 7 in here, 7 in there. There will be a 7 in this area. We don't have that much to work with. Six is not in here. Oh, that's an interesting point. So this area has the 8 and has the 4. So we know that we already know which 2 even digits go in there, 8 and 4. So that 2 and 6 are outliers, are 2 and 6 are around here. 2 is around here. 6 is in this spot. That's not that much to work with. I'm really confused, perhaps even more confused than I was during the contest. Perhaps I could ponder position of 4. We really don't have much to work with. Oh. So we have 6 and 8 in here, plus 2 odd digits. So 2 and 4 are here, namely 2 is around here. That is definitely a bobbins moment. Oh, I think I'm seeing something. Yes. This digit is nowhere there. Oh, what I'm saying is that there is a 2 in here. Sorry about that. I've just been missing a direct elimination, and 4 is there. Sorry about that. So now 4 is not here, and we can see that 4 is down there. So we get a 4-8 pair here, which means that we have 2 even digits here. Those are odd, those are odd. And we need 2 even digits in here, but only 1 in there, only 1 in there. So this is odd and those are even. And that's the 2 and that's the 6. Those are odd, so this must be even. And those must be 5 and 9. And we still need 3 and 7 in the columns. So 3 or 7 here, 3 or 7 there. 5 must be here. 9 can only go there, and those are from 1, 3, and 7. So and that's a 2, and by the way, this is even, and this is odd, and that is the 1. So there's no 1 in here. So direct eliminations, always, always Sudoku. Those are from 3, 5, and 6. And by the way, 5, we have a triple, 5, 7, 9 triple, so 7 will be here. And this will be from 2 and 6. And this digit will be somewhere among those. Okay, so that is definitely some progress. This 2 doesn't go there, doesn't go here, so 2 doesn't go here, that's a 6, and 2 goes down. So this is the missing 5 or 9. And 5 and 9 are needed in this area. There is a 2 around here, which is interesting because now we have 2 and 6 in this 2 by 2 block. So this contains no other even digits. So 4 is not in here, 4 is not in here, so 4 is in here. So we have the 4 here, the 2 there, which means that this already contains 2 even digits and 8 can't be in there. So 8 will have to be inside those cells. So that's now 8. That's an odd digit. This 2 by 2 box needs 2 even digits, and they won't be 6 or 4, so they will be 2 and 8 like this. And 9 goes there. And this is odd, this is from 3 and 5. And that's a 5, this is 9, 9, this is 5. 2 is not in here, it's there. Still need a 6 somewhere, and 4. This is odd because 8 is here. Okay. Let's move on. This is from 1, 3, and 7, but it's not the 1, so this is from 3 and 7. This row still needs a 1 and a 3. That's not the 1, so we need the 1 somewhere. Not sure where. Every progress is hard deserved. So this can be 8, it can't be 7, so this is from 1, 3, and 8. Still not sure where to look. Six is not here, 6 will be in there. That's not a 7 or a 6, so this is from 3 and 4. Here, the values are 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 is around here, so this is 3 is here, so this is 1 or 4. There is a 1 around here. Oh, as I mentioned earlier, or not, we have 2 and 4 in here, so 6 can't be up there. 6 is down there. Now this 2 by 2 block needs 2 even digits. One of them is 8 and the other one must be the 4. Which means that this is 3, this 3 I said. 3 I said. This is 1. That's not a 3. That's not a 3, that's a 7. That's a 3. That's not a 3, that's the 3. That's not a 3. And those must be odd now. Those must be even now, so this is odd, this is odd. So now 8 goes there, that's a 6, that's a 1. Up there we get the 7 and the 1. That's the 5, that's the 3, that's the 6. This is 3, this is 5. This is from 7 and out by the way, that's a 3. And because there must be a 7 in there, that's the 7. We still need 5 and 9 here. So 5 here, 9 there. That's 7, that's 9. So some progress here. Let's look. This 7 disambiguates that. This 8 disambiguates that. Here I need 6 and 9. And that 7 is not here. Here I need, oh, by the way, that's not 7. 7 goes there. So here we have 2 odd digits, and those must be even. So this is 6, this is 9. This can only be 8. And that's a 5. This 8 disambiguates that. Down there, I need 1, 2, and 4. That's not 1. Still not over. Okay, so we have 6 and 8 in here. Namely, 6 goes in there, so that this is 7, this is 6. So that's not 7. 7 goes there, it pushes the 3 into this cell and the 2 here. That's a 4, that's a 1. That's a 4, that's 2, that's the 1. This is a 9, this is 4, this is 2. Here I need 6 and 3. And 6 goes there. Here where I need 4 and 8, so this is 8, this is 4, this is 8. And we get the 4, the 5, and the 9. I think this is it. I will finish the coloring. Wow. I stand by what I said at the beginning of this video. In my opinion, this was by far the hardest puzzle in the set. It was not the highest pointer. It was worth 10 points when 2 other puzzles were worth 11 points. But they were really hard fought. But obviously, many solvers have a much better vision than I have on these matters. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.